Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer files from your laptop to your phone using Bluetooth. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is click the Start button and open Settings. Once you're inside Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices on the left side. Here you'll see the option that says Add Device. Before you continue, just make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now go ahead and select Bluetooth. At the same time, make sure your phone also has Bluetooth enabled. After a moment, your phone should appear on the list. When it shows up, click on it so you can connect. You'll probably see a pairing code or PIN on both devices. Just confirm that the numbers match and accept the connection on both your laptop and your phone. Once everything is paired, go down to the bottom right corner of your laptop. Look for the Bluetooth icon, right-click it, and choose Send a File. Select your phone, click Next, and then find the file you want to send. Choose it, press Open, and then click Next again. Your phone will show a message asking you to accept the transfer. Just tap Accept. The file will start transferring, and after a moment, it should appear on your phone. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer files from your laptop to your phone using Bluetooth.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.